this on. Right. Good morning, good morning. Oh shit.
Morning.
Morning. Okay, so yeah, all the clocks and stuff have gone back and stuff, isn't it, this weekend? For some countries, but in some countries they haven't. It's really weird, isn't it? Right. That one on. Morning. There we go. Wow, yes, swooping the Asian. Did it swoop the Asian lows? Did it look at gold? I touched it, yeah. Very, very nice. Around 6 a.m. Beautiful stuff. So let me just get up FOREX Factory. I think this week is a lot of news over here, so that'll be interesting. Let me just get that up. Just get that up here. So yeah, this morning we're actually okay until 9:30 for GJ, and then we've got some mortgage approvals, all that kind of stuff. So that should be okay until then, 9:30. So yeah, let's get into this, right? So yeah, my weekly outlook got fucking deleted yesterday, but anyway, as I was saying, we're holding 1644. If we do break below though, however, we may be quite good to 1627, 1620. So that could be quite nice, but it is a big strong support, so we've got to be careful there. So it's actually good for people getting these early morning buys when we hit the Asian lows. Pretty nice. So yeah, daily time frame right now bearish. The 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame right now, you can see that price is ranging a little bit of a barcode over here, suggesting that price is, holding the level. Which is rather nice. The daily and the 4-hour flip are the same lines. I'm just going to leave this one on. Let's just put this here. So yeah, hourly time frame looking like we're in a bit of a consolidation range. So pretty obvious to see where we'd want to take trades, right? So for sells, you can see pretty easily we'd probably want them below around these areas. So 1640 would be beautiful. Let me just put this on. Yeah, 1640 is going to be beautiful. Sells below there would be quite nice, I think. And if we get enough momentum, we may be able to continue all the way down to 1628. Yeah, that could be good. Obviously, there's a little support I can see here or there. But I think for the most part, it's actually not too bad. Every time it pushes it down, always gets to around about this level. Yeah, so this could be a really nice trade. Maybe later on in the week, we'll have to see if we get there today. So let's just write this one on. Sells below 1639.3. Very nice. And for potential buys, 1645 could be quite nice. However, this left-hand side's a little bit choppy, so personally, I'm probably going to have to wait a little bit higher up. As I've said, buys with 1680 are going to be the main ones later on. But actually this zone so if I just circle out like here. So from 1652 to 1657, I think that could be quite a nice little area for me personally. Because it's quite clean, right? It's literally one candle pushed it down. But buy with 1645 could be okay. The left-hand side here is a little bit choppy, but this was because there's news. So maybe buys with 1645 as well, right? Yeah, I think this could be quite nice as well for buys. Not because the left-hand side looked good, because it doesn't look too good, but the reason why it was ranging was because there was news coming out last week, so on Friday. So that's fine. Hope the YouTube's doing well. Hope you're doing well, everyone. For everyone that's signed up for the mentorship this week, I'll put you in the G drive this morning. There was like fucking 4 or 5 people joined last night, so I've got to add all of yous. But yeah. So yeah, buys above, sells below. Looks good. I'm in a CAD buy. Oh, very nice. Wednesday FOMC, yeah, Wednesday FOMC. So it's gonna be quite interesting, I think. Very interesting, actually. So yeah, how is everyone in the YouTube? Manuel, did you take the gold? Did you get into gold buys? Touching the Asian. Did you get in on this bullish candle here?
I got in at what is it? 42.02.
42.02. Oh, the celery.
Yeah.
On the 5. Nice. Beautiful. Why coming late today? It's not late, it's just the clocks have gone back or forwards or whatever. I don't want to have this discussion, right? You just got to get used to it. Your clocks will also go back or forward or whatever. CPA to process it again. Every year it always happens and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? So, because some people, it hasn't gone back yet, so then they're confused that it's an hour, you know, why have you got up so late? But anyway. So yeah, we'll have to see with this Goldie. Some good rejection already, which is nice. Touch the daily flip, so sales could be quite nice. In terms of GJ, as I said, we're very, very bullish. Wowza, I've got a little gap over here. How does that look like on my MetaTrader? Let's take a look. How does that look on my MetaTrader? Yeah, kind of the same. Interesting. So it gapped down? Yeah, it gapped down. Okay, so daily time frame, obviously clearly bullish. The weekly time frame clearly closed strongly above everything else, which is great, right? So that looks good. Looks very nice. The daily time frame, as we've said, is bullish. It's already broken the high of the previous, so that's nice. We've got to wait for some support to form, maybe for some buys, which looks like we might get that. The last 4-hour candles are bearish. So yeah. When does the London session start? If you take a look at the live stream, it started, I don't know, like 6 minutes ago. So there's your answer. So the 4-hour time frame bearish, daily time frame bullish. Looking at the hourly time frame, we've already had a previous hourly closing bullish, rejecting 171.250. Very, very nice. 50 minutes just rejected the 4-hour now. So kind of the same situation as gold really here. It's kind of just pushed up and rejected. Oh, did anyone look at that OB? On the 15. Candle before break of structure, retest. Oh, that's kind of nice. Okay, so in terms of sells, looking a little bit sus. This is what I did on the weekly outlook as well, which I forgot to upload, actually, the second one. But the left-hand side is pretty cack, if I'm honest, on GJ. The zone is rather tough. Maybe sells below 171 100, but then obviously 171 flat is just there. But it's 10 pips. It's not really the biggest zone either, really. In terms of zones, I'm not really too happy on GJ, right? Why? Well, bad price action, and the zones are quite small, right? So kind of sucks, to be honest with you. Is Brian here? Yeah, I wanna look at Brian's trade this morning. How was it? The GJ one.
He was in Telegram. I don't know if he's here.
Yeah, let's take a look. It was really early, like 5:20 for me. Is that just a closure below? I think it is, isn't it? Is it 5:20 here? Is it just a closure below there on the 5? Yeah. Interesting. Very nice. So yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, the opportunities on GJ isn't the best. And not too happy with the price action. So yeah, maybe a buy above 171, 750, like 800 level to come to the highest, back to 172 maybe. Yeah, I just don't really like the zone. It's a bit choppy. Choppy.
No, I just took a sneaky buy on GJ.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you have a 5-minute trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, a break, and now a retest on the trend line.
Yeah.
Which is also the 30-minute bottom wick.
That's good.
Yeah, I think that this might be a nice entry.
Yeah, because this 30-minute now can flip and can turn bullish. It could be interesting. Very nice.
Yeah, stops are very, very small. They are. Yeah, I entered at 365 and stops are at 281. So 8 pip stop.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hope everyone had a really good weekend. I sure did. Oh my god, that night was so fun. So nice. So yeah, man, I'm not really too happy with the GG, but the buys could be reasonable. We have to see. Keep an eye on this 30-minute flip, because the 30-minute flip could be quite nice, for sure. But as we always say, we don't really like it when price is between the daily flip and the 4-hour flip, just in this zone, because obviously they're contradicting, right? The daily's bullish, the 4 hours bearish, so you gotta wait for some more price action over here. So yeah. Let's take a look. Teach me how to make millions. Finn's in the building. How do you get the Magic Keys license key? I'm trying to connect right now. You gotta buy it, and then you get the key. Through email.
Yeah, if you have the virtual one, I had to put my Magic Keys on a text file on the desktop, because sometimes Magic Keys ask me for the license key.
Yeah.
Yeah, so instead of going into the email all the time to pick up the fucking license key, I just...
Yeah, I just close the application and then open again and work.
Yeah, mine did that a couple of times as well. Yeah, I got the physical one. Do you need it to connect? I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have the physical one. So yeah, in terms of Goldie, I think below 1639 is going to be quite nice. That's a good rejection as well. Oh, there's a little OB there as well. Did it even hit it? Oh, nah, it didn't. So yeah, in terms of this month, very, very nice month. Pretty happy with this so far. Went through some of my losing trades. But yeah, overall pretty good, man. 15 wins, 3 losses, sorry. Very nice. It's the last day of this month. Until we go to the Christmas months. Yes! I can't believe how fast this has gone. Nearly November already? Let's take a look at EJ, see if EJ is looking like any decent price action. Hey, it's not looking too bad, eh? Compared to the other fucking days. It's actually not bad at all. Not looking bad at all. Let's look at the 4 hour. Oh, the 4 hour zone is pretty cack, to be honest. Let's look at the daily. Daily's rejected the highs again. Interesting. There's a nice little OB there. So that could be quite interesting for later on. That'll be also to the previous resistance as well. So that could be quite nice. That could be quite nice. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Back with another week. As usual. I got a nice little spaceship in the background over here, but it's a bit blurred. So anyway, it's cool. So yeah, very, very nice bearish engulfing for Goldie, which is good. Are you a break even yet, Emmanuel, or not?
About 5 pips.
Yeah, nice.
7 pips at the moment.
14 minutes left for that 30. Yeah, looks pretty good. Might be okay. Hey, bro, what type of music is this? It's chill as fuck. It's just this calm jazz music. So yeah, let's take a look to the left hand side with this zone. Yeah, the only issue is maybe this here, which I could just wait for sells below there, but I'm not really too bothered. When was this? At 3 o'clock? Yeah, this is the main support. So sells below, and then once we pass these wicks, I mean it's pretty clean. And this zone's like 100 pips, so yeah, it could be pretty good. You back to Leeds? Yes. I never left it. Have you got a video explaining your strategy? I've got lots of videos, and they're all in the G Drive. So if you guys want to join the mentorship, you get all of that. The webinar I did actually yesterday, which I had to film twice because my fucking Zoom didn't had me on mute. Is it good to show, you know, the steps of which strategies we take and stuff, and how we've progressed it through the months and stuff. Get you all up to date. Oh yeah. So yeah, we'll have to see with this Goldie. See if we can break this Asian lows first, which would be nice. So let's just take a look at that trade that we might have been able to take before at 6 o'clock. So was there any W's, or was there any? Is it just that 5-minute bullish engulfing was good enough? Yeah, it kind of was. And then that salary play as well. In terms of trend lines, is there any trend lines? For me personally, there isn't, right? Why is there no trend lines right now? Because we're just ranging from 1645 to 1639. So the trend is printing sideways, right? The trend is printing sideways. Looking good there. This Goldie's pushing down.
Yeah, we got into a buy, and I had my TP on gold at the wick on the 5-minute, because you have a very nice rejection area on the 5-minute at 42.82.
Yeah,
44.82.
44. Yeah, I was thinking this one.
Yeah, so I had my TP at the wick of the previous 5-minute, so at 42.62.
Yeah.
Closed my position, and I was watching GJ and Brian got into a sell here.
Well, yeah, there.
Yeah.
Very nice. Well, just is that from the? But why was it just from this OB? Why would you get in there? Just the rejection, I suppose. It's just a break and retest.
Yeah, I would say just from that OB, because I had it. I had my take profit was there, and I was gonna take it if I saw some rejection, but I was looking at GJ, so it just tapped and flew away.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it tapped and dropped automatically. 14 pips, 15 pips.
Beautiful. Oh, nice, Tommy boy. Looks like an M retest in the 15 as well. Yeah, it does. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's class. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Trading the ranges. Some nice pips in there. That actually there is a little M this morning. Gonna go and retest though. Potential Asian soup for Goldie. Yeah, it's already kind of done that. Already did that in this at 6 o'clock this morning. Yeah. 6 o'clock this morning.
GG might be forming a head and shoulders. Might be finishing the head and shoulders now. Yeah, because it came down, came up, created the neckline, came down, broke it, came up, came down, and the 5 minutes closed exactly on the neckline and pushed up again. Yeah, I'm up 12 pips at the moment. Close partials.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, I see champion pips with a Goldie trend line. The Goldie trend lines. Yeah, we'll have to see with this GJ. I think your entry might be pretty safe now. You have break even now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking. Nice, well done. So that thing that we talked about before, guys. Beautiful retest in the trend line there. Also with confluence of the 30-minute just making the lower wick. So can you see now that Manuel's got a beautiful entry here, especially if this wants to continue. You know, he's got a lot of room because his entry's down there. So that's class. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Yeah, I had trend line, and then I had 30-minute, and then I had Raja saying in 5 in the morning that GJ was in 30-minute if created support, and if we went up it was a buy, and if we went down it was a sell. So yeah, planted my mangoes on the garden.
Yeah, boy. Yes, this owl is gonna flip. It is beautiful. 15 is just a little bit of a shh. It's 8 minutes left for this candle. I'll probably wait for this 30 to close. Because how big is this zone from there to there? 22 pips. 22 pipperoonies. do, do, do. I don't know why my empty server isn't working. Is it a new broker? Maybe you put your details in wrong. Maybe. That was only the main one for me. The details. Hey, Stop Loss Maz, you are my go-to stream for London. Took this trade just now and got 15 pips. Amazing, very nice. Let's take a look at this chart you sent me. Yeah, so in terms of this week, there is a lot of news. So do take that in mind. Always check the news today. Oh, beautiful. Is that the celery? Yeah. That was nice. That was beautiful trade. Very, very nice. What time is that at? Yeah, it was this one here, wasn't it? Yeah, that 5 o'clock trade's in there. Sick. I think that's the one that Brian did, eh? Yeah, that's class. Clean candle to the left, celery play, break into the support. That's clean as hell, man. It's the same on the 30. Yeah, class trade. That's a textbook celery. That's beautiful. Candle to the left, clean. Bob's your uncle. Beautiful trade, that one. Very, very nice. Beautiful. I thought it was pre-London, but I forgot about the daylight saving shift. Yeah, it's a little bit confusing, eh? But hey ho, hey ho. So the 50-minute came back to the res. Did you get 10 pips there or not? Very, very close.
I got 12. I closed the partials to 12.
Very nice. Very nice. So yeah, looking like Goldie breaking the Asian lows again. So he should come back down to 1639. Just need this barcode to kind of break, to be honest with you. Then I'll be much happier. You can see here on the hourly time frame how big this support is. So we've got to wait for a nice break below. But if you get a break below, man, this zone below is tight. Very nice. So it should be good. Should be good. Should be good. Make sure to like the stream, guys. 32 likes. We'll probably at the end of this week do a Magic Keys giveaway. So make sure to like up the stream. Get them likes up. Takes 30 seconds out of your day. If that. Fucking 3 seconds. And yeah, we're just going to wait a little longer over here. Oh yeah. I really think that this gold is going to be the trade of the morning, I think. If it can get there for sure. Gold. So was there a 5-minute this morning that people looked at? No.
I took a trade on gold.
There's the trend line.
Yeah.
There. There's a minor one. If the size is a little choppy, but I quite like that one. What time is that at? 5:45. Yeah, that was quite nice, eh? So how big was that? 10 pip stop, 19, 20 pip gain. Yeah, that's pretty good. So GJ's reflipped. Look at the 30 as well. Interesting to see. Can you see USD JPY? Send me a chart. I'll take a look at it. I think this morning, now obviously it's London session. It's probably not the best time to trade that pair because they're both closed. Ooh, GJ. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, it's a shame that the zone below on GJ is a little bit shitty, to be honest. The zone's not the nicest. Gold closed on Asian low, 5 minute. Yep. Yeah, looks going to continue down. I think it's going to probably get there, which is good. Oh, you have a Discord or Telegram? Yes, I have Discord and Telegram. Discord just for the charts for the stream, and then Telegrams for the mentorship. Yeah. If you guys do want to send me some charts, you can also put it in the Telegram as well. Yeah, so still got that EJOB up there, which could be quite nice. Both FOMC and NFP this week, it's going to be explosive. 100%, yeah, it's going to be interesting. A lot of red folders, a lot of interest rates. Federal funds rate. So they're expecting forecast 4%. And then the day after we've got the pound one. So yeah, it's gonna be quite interesting. I have a feeling NY session again this week is probably gonna be pretty shit. So I think as a whole I'd probably advise getting up early, which is what I'm gonna do this week. Didn't this today, but I will the next couple of days, because NY is gonna be dry. I think it's just gonna be ranging until then. So get your trades in the morning.
Yeah, Raja spoke about it on his video on YouTube yesterday. Mm-hmm. He did the trade review of his account.
Yeah.
And he spoke that and he said that market sentiment had shifted from pre-New York and New York to pre-London and London.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, because we've seen almost absolutely zero to no volume at New York.
Yeah, it's fuck all volume in New York.
Yeah.
100%. 100%. So breaking 1640. Let's take a look how this looks like in the weekly time frame now. Yeah, we're breaking past 1644, which is good. Daily's getting down too, so it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good for maybe later on. Get a closure here. Oh, nice stinking trade there. 220 people in the building already. Very nice. Yeah, a little bit of an M over here on GJ as well. Very nice. Good morning, Louis. Good morning, good morning. So yeah, yeah, that little 5-minute entry there is a little bit annoying. Only 3 losses though for the month, so it's quite easy to look and see how we could improve, which is good. Big fundamental week, rangy days, yeah. Brian, your daylight saving is mad. Is that happened yet, or is yours not happened yet? Because you're fucking taking trades this morning at 5. 5:20. Oh my god. Class trade there, that beautiful celery. And Tommy Boy is up at 5 as well. Tom's always up so early. Potential to sell gold if we close below 1640.57. I don't know why it's 1640.57. Oh, these wicks. I feel that this support is 10 pips away, so I'd rather just wait until you break here, which would also be the hourly break of support, which would be much more fundamentally easier for us to take a trade in. So yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, maybe buy some sell stops halfway through this week, maybe. We'll have to see. We will have to see. We'll have to see about that. Oh. Yes, it's Halloween tonight. Is anyone doing anything tonight? Anyone doing anything fun? I will not be doing anything for a while. 3 nights in a row, I was knackered. That third night was hard to get in, but it was good. Shapeshifters was sick, man. It was so good. Not really, yeah. I don't think much will happen around here, but back at home there'll be like people on the street and stuff. My mum will be having sweets out for people. Probably. Gold sell question mark? Oh my god. Oh my god. Gold sell question mark? I'm not going over it again. Over it again. Wow, we are holding Asian lows again. Double bottom on the 5-minute time frame. My days.
Yeah, 15 as well.
Yeah. Is it gonna hold it again, maybe? Wow.
If you look at the 30-minute, you have a support at 41.54.
Yeah.
The 30-minute close below, now making the top wick.
Yeah. Yep. So yeah, you could potentially do that. I mean, the stops on the previous would be quite big, but looks good. Looks good. This reflips. It should probably continue down.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you take the flip and you have stops below the current, it's 92 points or 9 pips to 100 to 13 pips to the bottom of the candle of the previous 30 minutes.
100%. I think I would like it more if there weren't wicks here. That kind of puts me off.
Yeah, the area is a little bit shitty.
Yeah, but 100% I can see the retest should be good. Should be very nice. Yeah. Oh my god, I just went on Phoenix FX Academy and some guy goes, how can you make money only trading 10 pips trades? Must be big lots. It's like, what? Oh my god. So let's see if this 15 can flip. The 30-minute can flip as well. And then we should be good. The sells later on. I really want this probably the 8 o'clock to close there because I get a nice drive. Yeah, and GJ just no. I think I need to wait a little longer for GJ to sort itself out. That salary play though there, this trade there, that break of the low there is beautiful. That was so beautiful this morning at 5 AM. They should have put the Fed meeting tonight spooky and explosive. Yes. 100%. Spooky, spooky, spooky. So tonight is also withdrawal day. Very nice. Favorite day of the month. Favorite day of the month. So I think I'm going to withdraw around about 7% and then leave the rest in, which is around about 13 left. So that's how I'm going to delegate a little bit. And on to the next month. So yeah, looking like a little bit of a range over here in Goldie. It's holding those Asian lows so well. My days. Look at the no bottom wicks either. Well done, all on your success. Thank you very much. Should leave all your money in there so you can't afford McDonald's. Very true, Finn. Very, very true. No McDonald's. To be fair, I wasn't even that bad this weekend, even going out. To be honest, I didn't really eat much. So that's not too bad. That ain't too shabby.
Jesus, Goldie. My God.
I know, it's holding it, eh? Very, very nice. Not. Back in the zone. Should buy Starbucks for all the viewers. Starbucks, very nice. That coffee actually this morning was great. Very tasty. So in terms of maybe a trend line higher up, I'm trying to think. There's a massive wick spike there, isn't there? Yeah, it's just a res, man. There's no trend line. So yeah, hopefully by Christmas I'm gonna buy a little vlogging camera and I'm gonna be posting more YouTube videos. I think. Fancy getting into the hang of doing that. And it might not just be trading, it might just be a lot of other stuff as well, because why not? But should I do that on a separate channel or not? That's the thing. Should I do it on a separate channel? Are you getting your head traders anything for Christmas? Maybe if you're lucky, Brian. Maybe if you're lucky. Maybe if you spoke on the Zoom this morning. Mate, he'd be already playing fucking chess now. Do you, man? On one channel, yeah. I've also got the new card, and I might be playing a bit of that tonight, actually. Yeah, the new card's pretty good. First game I went on, never played on keyboard and mouse before, and I was ripping people a new arsehole, so I'm pretty good already. Do a Vogue playlist on the same channel? Yeah, okay. Because I'll probably go to Geneva Motor Show this next year. I'll probably go to some cool places. I might go to Monaco as well. Show you a bit about Monaco. Is market fluidity good for beginners? I have no idea. I've never been in it, but all of his stuff's great, so I'm sure you'll be fine. Look at that, Goldie just holding that support. Oh, but I mean, does it make sense? Well, it does, right? Because the weekly time frame. Look to the left. The reason why I want sells below 1639 is I don't want to be trapped in this zone, right? If I have data showing that, look at the weekly time frames, we've rejected this level like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, then if I want to take a sell in that area, is it going to be reasonable for me? Well, probably not. I'd probably rather clear the wicks, right? And if you take a look here, if I take a sell below 1639, I'm clearing most of these wicks, okay? And actually, I'll have a much cleaner zone below. So sometimes you've got to always say to yourself, right, I like sells, but maybe I should wait a little bit lower to just get rid of all of these wick areas and get a nice cleaner zone. Because I tell you right now, if price comes below here, in this area, price is going to move so much smoother down than it is if you took a sell there, okay? Why? Just due to the higher time frame support, right? Just wait until you break them. Look at that gold even chasing. Nice. Well, whoever took the door bottom over here, damn. Well done. GJ, I don't really like GJ if I'm honest with you. The only thing I liked about GJ this morning was very, very early on. It was the celery play there. Clean candle to the left. That was the trade. But now we're ranging. The zone below is naff. The zone above is okay. So, I don't know. not really too fond of it. Not really too fond of the zones. That's pretty much the same as the whole of last week as well. GJ was pretty shit last week, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is the time that you have to go and look back at your trades for the month. You know, how could you have improved? All that kind of stuff. That's what you've got to do. Right. I'm just gonna be 1 second and quickly we're gonna drink a water. And I'll be ready for London Open. Let's take a look. Yeah, still nothing too much happening this morning. London Open passed. Okay. Thank you for telling me. My own country is past 8 o'clock, is it? Fuck's sake. This daylight saving is painfully retarded. London has already passed. Everyone's saying that. Well, if you're not from London, you can't be saying shit about that. Thank you very much. If you don't live in the UK... Max, your clock is off. Let's take a look. It is not off. I think they're planning on scrapping the thing soon, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. What do you think about Kieran Trippier this season? Amazing. I think he should start for England. Not just because of the way he plays. He's also a leader. He also, you know, he tells people what to do. I've watched him live and he's shouting at people all the time. You know, giving them heads up and stuff. He should be playing 100%. 100%. So yeah, looking at market conditions this morning are maybe not the best. It was very, very early on today, so I'm gonna have to get up my sleeping head on and go to bed really early so I can get up earlier. Yes, because we've got to get these blues in the morning. 5 o'clock, ready for an early start this week, guys. 5 a.m. That is sick though, because if you, I mean, obviously it's painful getting up that early, but if you finish your charts at like 8, then you're done all day. Because NY recently, obviously, and especially this week, I don't have any hopes for NY this week. So I feel sorry for the NY traders. So yeah, you can even see on the 30 here, we're coming into this crap over here. It may just launch straight past it, but I'm not taking any trades in this zone. I've got to wait for it to break further below. Easy racks. Why did you say waiting for London Open, lol? Because I'm waiting for London Open. Do bots really work? What, trading bots? I don't know. We haven't actually spoke to Scott either in a while, have we, about his bot? So get a little catch up on how it's doing. It's just trying to be consistent, isn't it? Like getting it consistent. But as we've discussed numerous times, it depends. It's such a hard one. I just don't know if you could really write a bot that can look to the left, because that's all it needs to do, right? It needs to be able to read the left and go, right, I'm not going to take any trades in this area because price action's bad. But how the fuck do you code that? There must be a way, but it's... Because you know what I mean? Like, it could trade NY session and go, oh, this is a nice closure below, but you look at the left-hand side's really, really bad, and then it takes a trade, loses. So you kind of... It needs to be very, very intelligent, pretty much. I'm a beginner. What should I learn first? Baby pips. Go to baby pips and just learn it. Yeah. Baby pips. Baby pips. I think some people don't even know summer or winter time exists. Does everyone does everyone in the world have the daylight saving or not? I don't really know. No, okay, interesting. God, can this gold pick its direction? 30 minutes made the top wick now. 10 minutes left. Countries near the equator line don't have daylight savings. Very nice. Yeah, I did think. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. We're gonna maybe hit 10,000 soon. Maybe before Christmas would be quite nice. So drop a subscribe if you guys haven't already. 9,122 people. Shee! New Zealand and Australia do too. What was the reason for it back in the day? There was a thing that I've read. Obviously it's so hard to have more light, but I think it was because of for farmers. Was it farmers? So they had more time to do something. There was something like that. Oh, thank you for subscribing. Thank you, Foo. Yeah, it's farming. World War II? Interesting. Interesting. And then hopefully, actually, so I'm busy. Yeah, I'm busy this weekend, but maybe next weekend we can do as a group some fun activities on one of the nights. We'll do it on a weekend night so we can get drunk. maybe play some poker or something like that. We'll find a game. But people in the Zoom, try and think of ideas what we could do. Any games or something that you can play. How much percentage you made this month? Well, for the signals, around about 16.4. And then for me, I think there's like maybe a 2 or 3 that I couldn't call. So around about 20, I'd say it's around about 20. My fucking god. Did London Open for you yet. I'm confused. Well, guess what? You have something called Google. Do you know what you have to do? You have to write time in London right now. 7:51, so it's 9 minutes before 8. Jesus Christ. If you really think that you can be able to trade, you can't do that basic fucking thing. Oh, Lord have mercy. I never get that. You think that you're going to be able to trade and you don't know how to fucking use Google to answer your question. God damn. You're based in Leeds, Max? Yes. What is Bibs? Hey, Maxi, is London Open the same in Leeds? To be fair, right, that's actually a reasonable question for people who maybe just not really, you know, with the UK, because they might think that the UK is bigger than it is, but it's very small. Before London Open was the same time as me in the US, yeah, but we have daylight saving, so it's changed, brother. Do you know if there are many traders in Leeds? I know that there's 10 pips daily, which I still need to meet up with, to be honest with you. And I don't know any others. Well, probably. Isn't there a 24/7 Tesco in London? Isn't it always open? There's loads of 24/7 Tesco's. Not a very strong Leeds accent though. Yeah, I'm not from Leeds. I'm from Newcastle, but I live in Leeds.
Yeah, here in Portugal, unless you go to Lisbon, and you have to be lucky to find some Indian shop that is open, you do not have supermarkets open 24/7.
Really?
Yeah, all close at maximum 10 o'clock at night or 11 o'clock at night.
That's not too bad. Yeah, I'd say that's probably the same as ours. There's a couple of 24/7s, but there isn't loads. Oh, but then there's a corner. Do you have like corner shops and stuff? Like a corner shop that sells just random shit?
No.
Really?
No.
That's interesting.
No, you have like some gas stations are open where you can buy.
Yeah.
Where they have some kind of small stuff, crackers and milk and bread and stuff like that. But no small supermarkets, no. It's forbidden by law.
Interesting. Slovenia, all shops have to be closed on Sundays, even Tesco. Ah, yeah, it's a very Christian. It's a very Christian country, I think. And Christian Sundays are always off. Yeah, I think that was the same for here for a very, very long time. But then we started to commercialize everything and kind of was like, nah, scrap that. Most Sunday shops, they close early, like at 3 or 4. Which is so annoying. I find that the most painful thing because like Sunday's one of your day offs, man. I want to do stuff and you can't even do half of it because it's all closed before you've. If you have a lie-in and you get up at like 12, 1 o'clock, you've only got 2 hours before everything closes and you have to sit in your room all day. I hate that fucking rule. So coming towards London Open, right? GJ is in this range. You can even see if I pulled it up like this, we're holding this range. So nothing really, and also the direction's not there because the 4 hour is bearish because price is below the 4 hour flip. So 4 hours bearish, daily still bullish. So it still hasn't really found its direction yet.
My daily's shitty.
Yeah.
As fuck. Yeah, the closure is at 71.239 and the open is at 71.024.
Yeah,
it's disgusting.
Yeah, GJ hasn't been nice for a while, but that trade there this morning was a beautiful trade, man. Beautiful. What is Finn doing? Love those American sweet shop laundering shops. Yeah, they're starting to get caught out now. I've seen a couple things on TikTok that they're getting raided and stuff. Yeah, they're getting a bit raided. Interesting. If you're asking something about Newcastle. Yeah, Newcastle are doing well, man. They've only lost once. Like, and a couple of our draws that we should have won. They were very, very unlucky from us. So I think we're gonna get top 4. You know. Now that would be sick. I need to buy a fucking Newcastle shirt. I actually feel like I support them now. Whereas before it was just painful to support them. It's fucking painful to watch. You trade Naz? Nope. No. But yeah, the people who haven't seen the webinar, make sure to go watch it yesterday. Basically going through each strategy, right? To make things clearer for you to guys realize. So for example here, what we're waiting for on gold right now is we're waiting for the first strategy. So strategy number 1 to come to fruition, either a buy above or sell below, right? There's no trend line because there's no trend line to be put down on. Maybe a W pattern here could be quite nice. OBs, there was an OB here, which actually would have worked out nicely. Right there. But apart from that, that's all we've really got so far. Brian, when you've got time, can you also go through this trade up here? Do you also have confidence of this little OB or not? Because it's also just at a resistance as well, isn't it? That's the only thing. Just with that trade, the sells here. There's a nice M as well, retest. Y'all ain't getting nowhere. We'll get European football this season at least. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Come on, Goldie, break this low now.
Goldie, 15-minute previous doesn't have bottom wick. 15-minute current doesn't have top wick.
Yeah.
Oh
It's gonna break this low now. This could be quite a nice little push there. How much would your stops be? Just because of 8 o'clock volume. Oh, that's bad. It's bad R to R, eh? 24 pip stop, like 13 pip gain. Hell no. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit further below. Hopefully this next candle can do something like this. Something like that. Retest entry could be quite nice there too. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. So 15 seconds left for London Open. GG, as I said, still not really doing much, and Goldie still holding this level. Break it, boy, break it. Break the support. Okay, so next candle's open. Obviously, this could be a celery play. Gold's M formation trade at Asian highs. Holding res, absolute banger. Yeah, beautiful. So it was that M that you're looking at. Beautiful. So yeah, what I'm saying here, guys, is if we break this low, we're probably going to push down, especially with London volume. But the R to R is not the best, and it's still, you know, it's still an area that I could reject off. So I'm just going to wait for the below. Go on, Goldie, break it, break it. Look at GJ, any volume? Not really. Look at the 5 minutes on GJ. Looking already kind of rangy. How does the daily look? Yeah, it's still looking pretty bearish. Okay, breaking the low now. Breaking the low. So let's just paper this. I mean, thinking with the stops there, yeah. So even by this with the wicks to the left, yeah, you'd be up like, yeah, only up 2-3 pips. It's annoying, man. The stops are just too big. Unfortunate. Do 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 do. Looking good. So there, at that point, if you got the break of the low there, now you'd be up like 5-6 pips. I'd go break even there and just hope this pushes. If it pushes, great. If it doesn't, then you're okay, right? It's a good thing with the seller. He normally gets a nice little push. All happy kids go back to school today. Very nice. Yeah, so the reason why we break even here is because there's wicks to the left there. You got the Asian low still. You want this to drive, right? If it doesn't drive, and this reflips, you're gonna have a hard time, right? So that's kind of how you'd manage. So if you're in that trade, you'd be up now. Yeah, like 6 pips. That's okay. Stop loss to break even, and then ride it down. So there's a little example that you could have taken if you're happy with it. For me, I'm staying out of it just because of the left-hand side, a little bit, the wiki side, and the R to R wasn't the best in terms of stop loss. If that stop loss there, this one that I wanted to put on was like 12 pips, then I would have taken that because the zone's 12-13 pips. Yeah. Hi Max, do you think breaking the low on the first couple of minutes have a higher probability of reflipping? Like reflipping? No. Especially at 8 o'clock volume. If it breaks the low, it's normally got a good drive down at least. Love you, bye. So I think you might have... Yeah, you might still be in. Possible trendline break. Is this on gold? Yeah, I'm staying out of the trendline break until we get further below. For me, it's just a range. It needs to break further below. Look at GJ. GJ coming down. So yeah, we'll wait. 10 more minutes. Yeah, looks like one. Looks very nice. I don't really like it too much personally because the zone is just, there's a big support here. I'd rather just wait until we get a closure below there. I feel the trend line is just, the trend is printing sideways, right? So, I'm gonna leave that. Okay, so the 5-minute timing goes bearish. Hopefully now this makes a top wick. It's already retested the previous level pretty much, and then should drop down. And then you'd have a nice little trade there. What are you going to eat for lunch today? No idea. Probably something in the fridge. I've got a full fridge, so I'm good. Do you stack positions? Sometimes I put more lots on when I know it's going to work. Or there's a very high probability chance it's going to work. Or if I get a nice entry, yeah.
One Goldie.
There we go. Do you get in, Stevie boy?
Ages ago.
Good lad. And there you go. You've got one there. Beautiful. So still coming down over here. 9 minutes left of this candle. Shame that the hourly didn't close below. If I get a bit cautious with this 15-minute closure, I'll just wait for the 30 to close below because it's a strong support. So, yeah. Oh yeah. Finally, W. Thanks, Goldie. Yes. So there's a little example there, guys. If you wanted to take that trade, so your RR wouldn't be good, but 23 pips. You got 14, 15 pips out of it. That's okay. 0 drawdown. That's what you want, right? And that normally comes from an 8 o'clock, open. Also, celery play normally gives you 0 drawdown. So there's a little example there if you fancy taking it. Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, I always say, especially like for some examples there, we can discuss them and then you can obviously make your own decision if you want to take it or not. But for the most part, these trades, if you don't know about them, like a celery play there, so when the next candle breaks the low of the previous, you've got to go back test it, right? You've got to go back test it. So always just paper them, right? Could you have had more aggressive stops on gold? For sure. I think you could have used obviously this top wick, it would have worked, but for me personally, I would rather have given it more room. To be honest with you, actually thinking about it now, if I just move my line here, the actual retest entry there would have actually made my stops 18 pips and my gain 20 pips. So there you go, there's an example. The retest entry would have been nice. But then also, the reason why I wouldn't like it in this case is because we were still holding the support. This could have easily just ran back above. So that's the only reason why that retest entry in that example was a little bit tough. You wouldn't like extra confirmation when it breaks that low, really. Because this could have easily have just opened up like this and then just filled that wick. So that's the only reason I wouldn't have done that. I kept stop loss at current 15-minute. Beautiful. Well done, well done.
Boom.
Boom.
It was nice and clean on the 1 minute max on the left.
Let's take a look. Yeah. All the way down, 60.39. 100%. Yeah.
My runners dropped 50 pips.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
We now have a closure like you wanted before, Max.
Yeah.
And the top wick on the 30-minute. This 5-minute, this candle that just left there will be a nice area to retest.
Up here?
Yeah.
Or do you think I'll get there?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Took one with half risk stop loss and break even. Took 8% on the low at 16.59. Nice. Beautiful work. Well done, everyone, for people paying attention. So to be honest with you, personally, I'd rather want this 30 to close below. So, but we'll see. If it gives me a strong enough closure, then great. But I just want extra. When it's a big support like that, the higher the time frame support, the much better trade I'd like. To be honest.
Now, if you look at it, you're getting a double bottom on a 30-minute.
Yep. Yeah, boy. So we'll see 19 minutes left for this 30 to close. Probably going to have to wait for that. Wait for that bad lad. We are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join the squad. Over 250 people already. Nice. Just put this in there. 3 minutes left for this 15-minute candle. How big would stops be in the previous? Ooh, quite big, eh? Quite big. There's some support at 1638. Yep. I agree. There's a little minor one here. So you could wait below there. We'll see, we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna wait for this 30 to close. We'll have to see.
GG's on some steroids. Fucking shit.
Look at that, tap the daily flip again. Ooh, Samantha took that celery play on GJ this morning. Very nice. Are you planning to meet with Sean Lee? Is he not still in Thailand or something? I do not associate with them people. Is this 15 gonna close below? Minute left. Max, would you consider buys with 171,600? Maybe. Yeah, I know what you mean. Maybe. Yeah, to 800 maybe. It could be reasonable for sure. Could be reasonable. I really want this candle to close much further down, to be honest with you. Because you do have also that minor one to the left, so. When do you wake up on Saturdays and Sundays? It depends what I'm doing, man. Depends what I'm doing. So this 15 minutes gonna close below. I gotta find a way to get in though. That is the next issue we've got over here. So we'll see.
Got resistance at 1637.
On what time frame?
1.
I don't care about that. I don't care about the one. That's okay. That's okay. And 1637, I'll be already taking profits there. It's all good.
20 pips.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so the 15 closed. Obviously, stop loss I'd want above the previous candle, which is 28 pips. So we'll have to see, man. If this could make a top wick, then great. Yeah. No. So it makes a top wick, also avoids you getting a fake out. So we'll see how far this pushes up, and then I might use current candle stops. So I really want this to make a nice little top wick for me. Come on, push up higher, higher, higher. Because then I could use current candle stop. Is it gonna flip it? I really want to use previous candle, but 28 pips is quite a big stop, eh?
Use the 5s, Max.
That is true. Do I trust that 5 though? Do I trust it? Come on, get up higher, higher, boy, higher. I love it when there's like a little bottom here, because if it breaks that low, you should be pretty good. So 1638.6. I've got to go for it, but I might have stops there. 1640.1. Probably what I'm going to use. Okay, so I've got a sell stop on over here. I'm going to break these lows to continue bearish. Stop loss is going to be like there for 14 pips. Not in yet. Okay, I'm in it now. Stop loss is 13 pips. That's really not bad. Run it till 1621. Wow. Oh, very nice. Okay, so let me just take a look over here. Let me just edit this. 1 second. TP2 1635. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go stop loss to break even now, because the fact that I know the left hand side's got a little bit of a support. So stop loss to break even now, risk-free trade. Risk-free trade, a risk-free trade. That's what we like to see, a risk-free trade. Zero drawdown, boy. Holy shit, we're coming up to TP1 Nilia. Okay, so we just hit 10 pips over here. Obviously, stop was like 13, 14, so I want a little bit more out of this, but if you're happy with your gains, take your pips. Take your pepperoonies. 1374.5 is good. And yeah, beautiful work, beautiful, beautiful work. So yeah, just at 10 pips over here. I'm actually going to close some here at 10 pips because the 5 minutes just closed. So I closed 80% over here at 10 pips. The reason is because this next candle, as I said, it didn't drive down massively. So sorry, I closed 80% here. And this next 5 minute can make a top wick, right? So I'd rather close at 10 pips there. Yeah, my stop loss was around about, 13, 12, but I'm happy taking my, because this could make a top wick and hit me out, and I'd rather, take my money at a, a 1 to 0.7 RR than get a break even here. So we'll see if we can hold on for the runner. Has to make a top wick though, but if this reflips, then we're gonna push pretty nicely. Make sure to put some W's in the chat, guys. Very, very easy trades. Close your butt below. Very, very easy. Get some dubs in the chat as usual. Another beautiful trade on stream today. 10 pips already, and runners running. Very, very nice. Look at all the dubs in the chat. Easy. Finn! You fucking cunt. I was doing a YouTube video. Not a YouTube, but Instagram, and you fucking spamming L's. God. So I'm still in. Come on, hopefully that's the top wick now. Now not. Take another trade in the flip max. I'm good. I'm good with my entry. What I might do though is if the next 30-minute close is below, then I'll probably take another trade if it's there. Yeah. So that's just using. I saw my 5-minute close, and I know it has to make a top wick. So and I'm at 10 pips for 13 pip stops. You know, I'm gonna take some money off there. I think the zone's clean though. I still think that we're going to continue. However, I also know that the 30 hasn't closed below yet. So it's kind of like this just comes from practice and stuff. Like, if I know that the 30 hasn't closed below yet, it's not the strongest confirmation. And I know that this is a very, very big support. We could easily just fake out this zone. So if I'm up like, 10 pips, 11 pips on Goldie with a 15-minute, I'm going to take my money, right? Especially if the 5-minute just closes and I know the next one has to make a top wick. Okay? And because obviously my entry isn't above the previous wick, we could get stopped out here. Okay, so just using your little knowledge over here. I'm still in the skin of my teeth. I'm out now. Beautiful. Very nice. So there's a quick zero drawdown trade. Beautiful, beautiful work. But if you take a look at the 1 minutes now, we're coming back to retrace. So we'll have to see, man. We'll wait now until this 30-minute closes. So yeah. Fucking Finn LL. Fucking Finn. So 1 second, just gonna go over something here. So there we go, right? That's the patience, right? I waited patiently. That entry there would have been beautiful, but the zone, the RTAR wasn't the best. 25 pip stop for a 13 pip gain, hell no. Just made 10 million rand. My lot size there was 100,000 lot. Okay, so yeah, 5 minutes left for this 30. See how it closes. But I'm a little bit cautious that we are rejecting a little bit, but it's still got a lot of time, right? Let's just add this on to the results. So I kind of wanted a bigger drop over here, but it seemed to touch a 10 and start to mess around with it. Right, I'm gonna cut it off. Gold. Sell. Okay, very nice. Also, in the mentorship today, I'm gonna go through the trend line signals to show you how it works, and because I want to make that a little bit easier, so I'm gonna do that today as well. So yeah, 136 people in over here. Beautiful month, man. Very tasty. Max, can you show me your trading log template? Yeah. Nice trade, Max. Was that one sent out on signals or just live stream? Every single one sent out on signals, apart from like ones that I don't have any time to react, but that one I sure did. Oh yeah. Yeah, GJ's looking a bit rangy, so that's okay. That's okay, that's okay. Just gotta get on with it. Did you get that extra 10 pips there, Steve, or did you just hold your big one on?
I'm still in.
Nice. Well, because you got a higher entry, I think you're going to be good here, right? I think you'll be. Where was your entry at? 16, like 43 or something?
1643.132.
Yeah, you're high up, man. This could be quite good, especially if this closes. You've got a great zone at 1630.
I closed half at 1640.6.
Yeah.
Then I closed
beautiful.
25% at 1639.15. And now I've got my runner holding for 1637.
Very nice.
But it could go lower. But
Yep. So let's just see, because if we're past that, I kind of wanted this to close below there now. Let's take a look. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Where's the hourly look? Yeah, the hourly sports higher up. We'll see. That's some nice management. Yep. Oh, the signals via Telegram, yeah. So 2 minutes left for this candle. Oh yeah. So there you go, right? Start of the day, planned our trade. We wanted sells below a certain level. We took them. Bob's your uncle, right? As long as the candles are clean to the left, as long as you've got volume, as long as it's a nice time that you know that works well, it's not too bad. GJ, I already assessed that in a zone, and then I left it alone, right? Because gold looked much better. Look at the 5 minutes, the price action looked a little bit shady. So, yeah. Looking like good rejection already. Steve, I think your runner might be a little bit better below 37. Oh, have you got stuff on the 1 minute that you're looking at? Because this is quite clean. I'm just thinking, if we're on like a sim, can you see that every single time we drop below this level,
yeah,
we move pretty quickly. Nice little OB there as well, eh? Yeah. It's gonna drop again.
Yeah, that's my level.
Beautiful. Okay, a minute left for this closure. Only issue is gonna be stops. Oh, it's 5 minute celery play. Do, 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 do. So yeah, guys, the homework as well, we'll do that either Thursday, Friday. I think we'll probably do it on Friday. So we'll go through the homework together. Finding your zones, all that good stuff. 20 seconds left, looking like it's going to break this low. Very nice. We broke that low, stop loss above, 15 pip stop. I'm gonna wait for this 30 to close. But I have a feeling I may miss this move. But I gave it an opportunity for the first push. So it's okay. Okay. Has it broken the lows yet? Yeah, what he has. 30 minutes got no top wick, but I don't think it needs one. It's already kind of done the retrace, so this is probably gonna push now, eh? Yeah. It's gone, it's gone, it's gone.
beautiful.
Yeah. So this could be quite nice. Obviously the 30 minute has no top wick. Well, it doesn't on my MetaTrader, so that's a little bit of a pain. But you've already got the rejection here. See, the 1 minute's already rejected, so this should be good to continue. 15 minute stops weren't bad. Fuck! Forgot about 15.
Yeah, adjusted the OB on 30 minutes.
Uh-huh.
For the TP, so my TP for the runner is 24.06.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. Agreed. Did you re-get in, or are you still in?
I got in a little bit above your entry.
Beautiful.
Yeah, 5 minutes retest.
Yeah. Wait, where? So I got in there, you got in up here.
My entry is at 39.08.
Oh my god. Very nice. So let's see if from my back testing and from what I like to the left, I think this could be a stinking trade back down to 1630 in the next couple hours. Maybe even quicker. Gonna hold till 21 unless break even hits. Nice. Only thing you've got is this 30-minute got no top wick. How many pips you up, Maxi? I didn't get in the second time. I forgot about the 15 having a smaller stop. I was too busy looking at this 30-minute making a top wick, but I really should have just got in that 15. To be honest with you though, I probably would have got break even here, eh? Did it get up? Yeah, 7 pips. People still in if they got in on that accelerate play on the 5? Might be by the skin of your teeth. But it should continue here. There's such a clean zone. I got entry 1640.6 and I still have half position. Nice, Tom. Tom, this is going to be a stinker, I think. Look at the hourly. Just clean. Come on, do it for the boys. Push!
Yeah. Now it's the wicks to the left, and then it's just bodies.
Yeah. 100%.
Yeah, it's clean on the 30 minutes.
Yep. Yep. And this is the whole thing that we talk about marking your charts up in the morning, guys. You know, I wanted to sell below here because this zone is clean. So when it happens and we actually get a closure below and I take my trades, I know where I'd want to take my positions off for runners as well. Yeah. So I think there's a lot of things last week of people going, where should I take my position off? It's like, bro, you gotta know that shit before you jump in. Yo, did you use the noodle Udi play from the top? The noodle Udi. There's a support on the 5 minute 1636.7. Very good, very good.
It's 4 hour, just touch the 4 hour res. Or a 4 hour res I have.
Is it? Let's take a look. Yeah, that's true.
Ooh.
But it might just block.
Yeah. Push, push, push for everyone in. Make sure to like the stream if you're in a goalie trade. We've broken it down to the T this morning. Beautiful work.
I'll give it a 20 pip sliding stop loss.
Good idea, good idea. I tried to pay the subscription with PayPal, but it failed and did not say why. It failed because PayPal doesn't seem to like you, brother. Yeah, the bot tells me if a payment is like if someone tries to join and it doesn't work. It's normally because they've got a bad credit score or something.
I think I tried to join with my PayPal, but 5 or 6 times it did not work.
Yeah.
I tried my card. My card was blocked, so I asked my brother. Yeah, it's been withdrawal from his account all the time. And I just PayPal him the money. Yeah, he's winning with it. Fuck, it goes out, I don't know, it's 50 euros that goes out from his account, so it's 540 crowns or something like that. And I deposit 600 crowns. So he wins.
Yeah, that's true.
He wins. Yeah, but I'm getting live now this Christmas for Christmas gift.
Do you do any trading signal or like mentorship before?
Who, me?
Yeah.
If I was in some?
Yeah. Did you do any before mine or not?
Yeah, I paid 1,200 euros to a guy called Switch Trader, which was a balloonie. And then I...
Wait, what's his name? What's his name?
Switch Trader.
Is he called Switzy on Instagram? Because I think I know.
Yeah.
He's HS Tiki Toffee. Yeah, he's a fucking...
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I started with him, and then I joined a group of a guy called Momo FOREX. and he's pretty good, but he's a swing trader, and he trades every single pair. And I got a lot of bases from him, and then I started watching Raja, and I started watching you in October or November last year, and then I joined you December.
Madness, whole year.
Yeah.
Is it this guy here?
Yep, that guy.
Wow.
There. Yeah.
Look at it. He's such
€1,200.
he's such a fucking scamming cunt. Listen, like his whole thing's so marketing, it just pisses me off.
Once you make those $1,200, what's my job? So guys, I am an investor, but most of you are gonna be, what does it mean? So let me give you an easy example. Let's say this is the stock Apple. It worth £100. I think it's gonna worth £200. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bet on the price.
Oh my god, he's such a fucking...
So this sounds super interesting, but one, I have no knowledge. Two, I have never done this. And three, I didn't study finance. Guys, listen to me carefully. You behind your phone don't need any...
You see how much of a marketer he is. I just can't, no matter how much money you'd want to pay, like he obviously loves his money, right? He's getting fucking money. People were paying him £1,200 every fucking day, like 5-6 people a day, right? He's fucking wanted specifically for this, like. But I just couldn't do it. It's just a dick move. It doesn't feel moral. It's just, I would rather be straight up and that's fucking bullshit. I could easily do that. But it's just, why would I? It's just stupid.
Okay, started. That's the main question that everyone is asking me. So guys, for everyone who wanna start making money from his phone, for everyone who wanna learn how to make money but also at the same time travel, there is my WhatsApp.
Look at that. Make money while you're traveling. It's not that fucking easy, you dozy cunt.
No.
And he's friends with HS Tiki Toki, and he's fucking promoting him and shit. That's madness. I just couldn't sleep at night.
No, there was one guy that he was called Pucci. I don't know his real name, but he took a little bit of his basics. He was in the group, so he was sharing his charts and signals or his entries, and he took a €3,000 account to $1 million in a year.
Really?
Yeah. And he shared every single trade he entered.
Wow.
He got banned by Switzy because he was sharing too much.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically he became friends with someone on TikTok who's very famous, HS Tiki Toki, and he was promoting his fucking thing with HS. Like, oh my god, like...
I've seen him a lot is with an English guy, DMOJ, something like that.
Yeah,
he drives a lot of fast cars.
Yeah. He's a DJ.
Yeah, he's been a lot with Switzy.
Yeah.
Or was like 2 or 3 months ago.
Yeah, that's what HS is there. So look at this. If you want to make money from your phone, send me a DM saying "goo." What the fuck? What the fuck? I just couldn't do it. What the fuck is this bullshit?
Yeah, looking back, I was so fucking naive. My God.
I know, isn't it? Like,
oh my God.
Have you ever met that DMO, Max?
DMO, I've met him once at a car event. I don't really like him, to be honest.
Yeah, as soon as you meet that twat, you know not to get involved with anything he's involved in.
Yeah, well, actually, one funny thing. So I did VMAX. It's called VMAX 100. Like,
yeah, I've been, yeah.
Yeah. So I've done that like 3 or 4 times with my dad. And we stopped going because one time we heard that all these new people are coming with their shitty fucking BMs, these fucking Indian lads come in, and they're all having fights. There was a fucking fight recorded. They're all fighting each other. I'm like, oh, fuck off. Like, this is a nerdy car event. Like, not trying to flex your shitty ass fucking C63. I don't give a fuck about that. Like, it's meant for like car nerds. No, fuck off. It's a fucking drug dealer trying to impress them. They've all got the same fucking car, and they've just kitted it out like 700 brake.
Leave the drug dealers alone. They also got to make money.
No, but if you come to a car event, you know, respect the cars. Don't have fucking fights with your other little drug dealer, mate. It's embarrassing.
All those cars are kid cars, man.
Fucking embarrassing.
Hey, Brian, should we go and pick up a 2005 Jaguar or whatever the fuck Max wanted? Take that to a car club.
An old Jag X-Type or whatever.
Yeah, I'll get more looks in this stupid shitty G-Wagon, or not G-Wagon, C63 stupid shitty Mercs. Oh my god, this gold's still gonna go, boy.
Oh, it's going all right.
Oh yes.
I have to close on them, man.
1630. It's good. Yeah.
I
think
got in
it's just-
such a good entry, and I fucking got out at it when it came back.
What price did you get in?
Yeah, I'll show you right where I got in.
All the way
Got
on
in.
top.
I got there.
Oh my god,
And then
beautiful.
When that wig came back and got me, I fucking got back out, and now I hate myself. I was like, oh no, I've prematurely gotten in here.
Mate, you've been doing that. You've been doing that recently, but the entries are fucking class. Like another 30 minutes later, and they're fucking down 100 pips. Like,
And it's very premature.
yeah. Well, I think if you're getting in premature, you gotta trust the process and the stops.
His missus also says it.
God, fuck off. At least I actually get some actions from my missus. What do you get, old man? You're out of the age bracket of having sex.
Mine just sleeps through it, so it's fine. I still get it.
Oh,
That is fucked. Don't say that ever again.
Oh my god. Chose violence on a Monday. Holy shit.
What the hell? Brian fucking, what's your name from South Africa? Just fucking weirdos.
Oh my god.
God, say that.
Fuck's sake. Oh god.
Dick puppy.
that's so.
The madness.
Sent me a little bit.
I know. How was your weekend, Sash?
Good man, long.
Mm.
How's yours?
Mine was fucking long, man. After that third night out, I was ready for bed. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but you went out 3 times.
Yeah, I went on Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah. No.
Thursday I had 2 hours sleep. Friday,
Oh god.
Friday was a rough one as well. Saturday was sick, mate. Shapeshifters was sick.
Yeah. Could you not sleep on hangover? At least that's why you just stayed
Nah,
awake.
I couldn't sleep on a hangover.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, fair. That's the same thing happens to me. Just fucking.
Yeah, man, I'm just sitting there, just wanting to jack off all day and just waiting for the day to end. And then you can't sleep on a hangover. It's painful. Dude.
Guys are all
1635, very
fucking
nice.
weak.
Oh, weak. I want this to nicely float down to 1630. So then, later on, what we'd probably want is price to make a low, retrace, then take the sell back down again.
Oh, you want it to fly because you're still in. Yeah, we know.
I'm not. Motherfucker. Dum 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 dum. GJ's looking great.
You close full.
I closed 80% at 10. Yeah,
Nice.
not the best. I really wanted to push harder, but I was like, the 30 hasn't closed yet. It could still fake it out. It's also it's a big support. So I'd rather just take my money.
Yeah.
Gold tied into the 4-hour rejection on the left. Yeah, 100%. That's a good level to take some off. That GJ this morning was nice, Bri?
Yeah, it was sick, mate.
Hey, 5 a.m. What the fuck? But that's actually 6, isn't it? Because yours hasn't gone back.
Yeah, it's not there.
Yeah,
It's
that's
actually-
fair enough. I was thinking, fucking hell, 5. Jesus
It's the
Christ.
same time.
Yeah. That was beautiful. GJ price action is disgusting. Yeah. None of the zones appeal to me either, apart from that little push because there's clean candle there. Everything else looks shit. Do you guys agree with me? Like the sells below, meh. The buys, meh. It's nothing
Price just
really.
moves slowly. That's
Yeah, this week's gonna be shocking. I think, to be honest with you, especially for NY, people are gonna be waking up for NY, and the only trade they gotta take is the news trade. I was going for it last night. I was like, oh my god, this is all the interest rates and NFP as well. Fuck.
Popcorn news.
Huh?
It will be a popcorn week.
Yeah. Oh yes. Popcorn week. What the fuck is Raj's Twitter thing? I fucking love Raja, man. He's hilarious. That's the reason why I like watching him. I remember back in the day, like, because I haven't watched him for so long. Cause I've obviously done my own shit. But like, just like tuning in, he is funny, and he's proper funny. Like, I love like, he always has at least one or two messages in the chat like, why are you so aggressive? It's like, oh, you don't get his banter, man. Come on. He's just fucking with you. It's working. Let me just put this on to see. Right, so this is at 8:16.
Wednesday will be very nice news day. My God. We have ADP at 12, and then we have mock FOMC statement at 6, and then we have news at 6:30.
Let's take a look how the stop was when I got in. 14.
I took an L on GU when
Ooh.
it broke the Asian laws, and it's fucking dumped afterwards. Good.
Dump. Let's take a look then to see. Margin call week. Yes. Some people it'll be redeposit November. So if you're in like high up here, I really think you can hold this for the whole way. As long as you've taken some positions now, I would just leave this now. I think it's gonna be pretty nice because we're actually passing that wick as well.
Yeah, it's super clean.
Yeah.
I missed your bloody trade, Max. Can believe that. And I took a great paper trade earlier on the 1 minute, 41.8 retest, which I closed. I said I had my take profit at 39.
Beautiful.
It broke
Yeah.
below, and then it just tested it.
Beautiful. I also think like in terms of because obviously so this like beautiful, right? So your paper trade, you got in there, you closed there like 39, which is the support, right? Beautiful. I do want to check chest though because this is before 8 o'clock, right? Or like coming towards 8 o'clock, which is London Open. If you're close to support, the probably it does break as long as it keeps the direction is good. And as long as it's clean below, then the next target is good. Especially because you're getting in so high, it's best to leave maybe a little bit on it. Because even if this runs like if it gets down to 1630, it's 100 pips. If you leave like 1% of your trade on, it's still quite a big move. So,
Yeah.
Brian, do you still have your entry at 44?
Yes.
Uh,
I've got a target, a 1H target candle at 1628.041 on the 1H. And then there's a slight fair value gap just above that candle. So check on the 1H, Max. The bottom.
Yeah.
Down.
Oh, yes.
So you'll see there's a gap as well.
There's a gap there.
Yeah, so there and there, right? And then that's the candle that I want to target.
Yeah. Makes sense. Did London change times? I'm confused. Yes, it did.
Sorry, Brian, are you targeting that's where you'll take profit, like your ultimate take profit is going to be, or are you looking
my runner take profit?
Okay.
And the reason for it is because in terms of like an OB again, this is the change. This is the candle before the push. Yeah. So as we know, we know that price can tap into this zone and reject. So he's going to take profits there.
And right? I love it when there's an imbalance before these types of candles.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to figure out how to get entries off them, like in the gap instead of the candle. That'll take some time, but for targets, they're good.
Yeah.
So I can't. Yeah, I tried to explain that yesterday, but I'm trying to.
I watched it very briefly. I'll watch it again today.
Yeah. Because I explain, even if you don't know about OBs and indecision candles, it's good to just know what you guys are talking about when we're talking about it. And it's quite obvious. Like here, you said I want to target this fair, this little fair value gap, etc. But it's because
price has to fill that area right before it gets to that candle.
Yeah. It's a good fill-in area, and then also when you get to there, it could reject. It's perfect level to take profit there.
So I'm still trying to work out entries or fair value gaps, but I need some time still with that.
Yeah. And I
you're literally taking an entry out of thin air. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You're taking an entry off a gap in the chart. Like, it doesn't make sense, but it works. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Where can I find a good template to journal my trades? Is it like this or like something different, like what with like screenshots and stuff? I would just say Trello. I haven't used Trello in fucking donkey's years.
I still use it every day.
You still use it every day?
Every day, bro.
Yeah.
There's the paid one, which is called Trixie. That's actually nicer because you can move the live chart, so you can go between the time frames and stuff.
I haven't been on this in ages. Someone's probably hacked it. If you look at them fucking hacking it, get them changing the fucking background. I know, it's still okay. I think it's. Oh my god, this brings back memories. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Yeah, background, boy.
Yeah, I like the background.
I'm gonna work on a floor one day.
No, click a few of these. Let's have a look.
Let's take a look.
It's good to go back, man. See it, how it started.
Oh, okay, interesting. It's right on support. It's a little celery, I think.
Ooh,
The fuck
buying
is-
a
yeah,
celery.
oh, no, it's a buy. Sorry, yeah.
Hi, boy.
Oh no.
No.
Oh,
silly
no,
boy.
Leave those to B-Dog. Leave
That's
those to
a
B-Dog.
silly boy. When the fuck was this? What January was this?
That must have been like 2019 or something.
Yeah, I think it was 2019's.
Oh, you were on the old blue and black as well back then.
Oh yeah, what the fuck?
Look at this.
I was on the blue and black. I quite like the blue and black. What the fuck did I change? I think it's because I watched Raja so much that it was easy to just to have his chart on. You know what I mean? Like, if I was watching his live streams all fucking day, it was easier. What the fuck trade was this?
Resistance.
I don't even know. Take a look at this one.
Hey, good to go back. I was me and Warren were going through my January ones. That was funny.
Oh,
Some
the January,
fucking-
really?
Oh mate, there's some fucking dirty ones in there.
Yeah,
disgusting.
We had a good laugh. We're like, what are you doing here? Oh, no, don't do that again.
It's
Delete.
like 7 candles bearish. They tried to sell. It's like, oh gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, double top boy.
Yeah, boy, look at that one. Okay.
Into demand.
Okay, prices resistant.
Those still work. Like today.
Yeah, it's too right. What the fuck was I doing in here? Oh my god! What the fuck was I doing in there?
I did work there.
Yeah, it worked, but it doesn't matter if it fucking worked or not. It's in a fucking big range.
God,
That
golden
zone
candle
doesn't-
atlas.
That zone doesn't even make sense.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
And this.
It's so good to go back and see like how you like advanced and changed.
Yeah.
And so funny.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's a little. But still, like, my entry is not really on the celery. It's kind of.
Nice retest.
It's funny to look back, eh?
Yeah.
Score's still going down, boy.
King Goldie.
Max, you look at GJ's hourly. Would you consider taking a sell below 171 or 176? I don't know. That 15 looks kind of choppy. Well, there's your answer, brother. 171, 170, 176. So here, 176. 176 is there. Just be careful in terms of your. Oh, you're looking at the hourly, aren't you? Yeah, support's there at 120, I'd say. And then if you take a look at the zone below. My only cause of concern is 171 is right there, and also how many wicks have rejected this zone. So this zone's way too small, and then below this is rangy. So I just don't like any of the areas in GJ right now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If it's too hard to find like where you'd want to take him, like I think if you have to ask me, you know, the zones for GJ, you've probably got your answer, right? It's just too hard to trade it, and that's fine. You got to be able to just take that fact, and that's why we've all just shifted our zone to Goldie, which is much nicer, right?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
I took a re-entry on gold
Oh, a re-entry.
on the 1637 retest. Hoping it was going to break below, but it's hit the bottom and come back up.
Yeah.
It might go.
Yeah, 5 minutes looking good.
Yeah, it's good. Treatment. You're break even?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Very nice. 89 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream. Discuss gold to a T today, as usual. And it's also the end of this beautiful month. If you tune into the stream this month, 12 wins, 1 loss. You should be pretty happy.
It's worth the 50 quid alone.
Exactly.
Should do the maths, Max. If people took your trades, what was the least money they had to
have in their account?
Risk to get the money back.
So that is 17%. So if you had a £500 account, then so it has to be less than that. So £250 account, that's 25 for 10%. So yeah, if you had a £250 account, you'd be pretty much paying it. So if you've got over I'd say if you've got a £300 account, you'd have paid the mentorship with the trade. So £300 account's fuck all, man.
Is that with a 1.4% risk?
Yeah. Do this. I keep forgetting that's Brian's symbol.
Oh, the pick.
I need to watch actually the new Star Wars. Oh, that's what I could do this tonight. Get in. The new Star Wars nerdy shit out, and apparently it's really good. It's animated, so it'll be a bit like Clone Wars. Get in. Oh, I'm booking another holiday with the lads. Lord have mercy. And this time it is not haram. Going to fucking Malia. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, the boys are just such degenerates.
Oh, bro. A couple of the boys that came to Brighton on the weekend. Going to Serbia end of this month.
Oh god.
Jesus Christ, we were out and fucking on the seafront until like 8 AM. It was not pretty. They were such cretins. Love it though.
Yeah. People like just being little cretins on weekends when they're younger. You know what I mean? It's just their little escape. Just being fucking mad.
Shit.
EJ's got a nice closure above, low wick. Look at the 30. How's the 30 look? 30 hasn't closed above res. I'm looking at that OB up there. I think that'd be quite nice.
Break even hit.
Yeah, nice. Goldie stuck at the 4 res. Yeah, but as long as you know it's there, right? As long as you know it's there, that's the level to take some positions off. That was my next TP. For my trade. So yeah, we'll have to get up very, very early this week. I have a feeling NY is probably going to be a little bit on the harder side, just because there's news obviously coming out in that time, and price likes to range before any type of news, really, especially this fucking news. This is huge news, right? All the interest rates again going up higher.
Doom and gloom.
One of my mates, one of my Caitlin's mates who came over for the party a couple of days ago, he's talking about how he wants to live in a flat and he's annoyed that he's got his house now. And I go, oh, why? He goes, oh, I just fancied like this. And I go, oh, how much was your mortgage interest? He goes, like fucking 1.85 that he did like a year ago. I'm like, oh my fucking god, it's amazing news. Every time you step in that gaff, you should be like, I've just saved myself fucking 6% of this fucking gaff every year. We haven't actually seen it. It comes out. When will it come out? There's always one about the housing prices. That'll be quite interesting the next couple of months. Because obviously demand's going to go down because no one wants to take a mortgage out. So that'll be interesting. That'll be interesting.
In again.
In again.
Yeah.
Careful of the 15 no top wick though. But it looks okay.
Yeah, I was looking at the 3 minutes for it to come up to touch.
My mortgage has gone up to £300. Wow. The only issue here for people who are looking at that is I see a W in a retest, so just be careful. W, closure above, retest, no top wick at the top. Obviously, it's very, very bearish, but it is at that support. I look back at the W that I took last week, at the end of last week, and yeah, it's because of the we weren't at support yet. It still had 22 pips to get to that support first, so just a little bit I did.
Go on.
What was this? You wanted the 4 to close below the 4 resistance, yeah. The 4 hour close? Oh, the 4 hour close, that's weird. It's only an hour after, isn't it? Yeah. This breaks the previous 4 hour low. It'll also be the hourly low, the 30-minute low, the 50-minute low. Ooh, we've got you. You've got it on. And the daily current low. So this could be nice. Stevie boy, if this breaks this low.
When does Australia move their hours?
Finny boy. Australia.
Because if the 4 hour candle is now 9 a.m. and it's already open, then the broker has not changed the hours yet, and that's IC markets.
Yeah,
that's Australia.
Yeah, boy.
Easy to.
I got like 6 messages on Instagram. You're not streaming today? No, bro. Just the clock's come back. Just fucking check the time. Oh my god. Yeah, if this reflips, it's not looking too good for the sellers over here. You eyeing this up for a W, Brian, or not? The only issue is the support. There's no support there. Major support. It's still clean, so the only issue, isn't it?
No, this is that 4 hour res.
Yeah, that's true.
But it pushed too much for the W already.
It's true.
I would say.
What do you mean by the clock gone back? It's daylight saving. It's just. How do you even explain it? It's just the clocks have gone back. Doctor Strange has done his little multiverse time loop, and we've just gone an hour back. Oh my god, there's a podcast with Tyson Fury last night. It's hilarious. With True Geordie, that was great. But he's swearing at him and that. It was well good. So yeah, 9 o'clock now. GJ looking like shit. Goldie, it's done its push. It's exactly what we wanted. Great stuff. Well done for people getting in much earlier. Great stuff there. And yeah, I think it's going to be maybe good for later. We'll have to see. And yeah. So maybe later on, I might do it today. We'll see, actually. I might play some COD or some FIFA or some shit. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe before. If you guys do want to join the NY session, you know what to do. The link is here to join. And yeah, we're going to start simulation sessions tomorrow, guys. Actually, I could do one today at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I'll do one today. Okay. We'll do a simulation today at 2 o'clock, sorry. So yeah, thank you guys very much for coming on. See you guys to NY. Peace out, guys.
See you later, guys.
See you later, guys. Adios, amigos. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Make sure to drop a like. And how to join simulation? The mentorship. The mentorship is there. Yeah, make sure to come drop the mentorship if you fancy it. And yeah, see you guys later, man. Peace out. See you later, alligator. Another win. Last day of the month. 12 wins, 1 loss. Get it. See you later, guys.